Okay, here we're going to be seeding the plates for dilution step 0, cultures 1 through 5, using the glass bead method. And what I think is very important and critical is to match up your plate labels with your culture labels. So I'm actually going to pair the tubes and the plates up ahead of time, paying careful attention to the ID on the tube and the ID on the plate, making sure I haven't mislabeled anything. And now that I'm confident that the tubes and plates have been paired accurately, I can just focus on the mechanics of pipetting 100 microliters from each tube to the plates, adding 4 or 5 beads, and you'll see I'm going to do the spreading action for all 5 plates at the same time, and that makes it a little bit more efficient. Of course, it's very critical that we have the vortexer close at hand. Trying to make everything ergonomic here. So, vortexing, removing 100 microliters, pipetting onto the plate. Now, pouring a few glass beads into each of the plates, all in one go. Assembling, stacking, and then paying attention to make sure the glass beads travel over the middle of the plate and don't get caught swirling around at the outside perimeter of the plates. And taking the whole stack, tapping them to the bottom corner of the plate, and now it's a simple matter of removing the glass beads. Into my beaker that's filled with 70% ethanol. Great, and now these plates will be ready to be put into the incubator. And before you put them in the incubator, you want to make sure that the surface of the plate is not wet. And you can see that this plate does not have any wet. You would know if it's wet if when you tilt it on its side, it has a curtain of liquid coming following gravity. Because we did the pre-drying of the plates, the liquid, the 100 microliter liquid, got soaked into the plate very rapidly, and we don't have to wait further to either store them in the in the cold until the incubation is scheduled to begin. We want to time the incubation for these plates at exactly 18 hours, and the TAs will give you instructions on where to place your plates. This was dilution step 0. I'll be doing the same thing for dilution steps 1 and also for the Ka plates that are for dilution step 0.